Yes, my name is Dr. Dave Roush, Teal Bivens Professor of Political Science, West Texas A&M University, and in this short, hopefully, video, we're going to take a look at how to contact faculty and staff at West Texas A&M University. So again, we actually have a pretty good directory as long as people don't come and go too often. But it keeps track. You can update it fairly easily through your department. But the easiest way to find it I have found is to go to the quick links. Of course, you're on the WT website, www.wtamu.edu, and you click on quick links. And the first item under general information is search the university directory. Now, if you're searching for faculty and staff, that's pretty straightforward. Let's say you're looking for somebody whose last name is Roush, kind of a relatively common name, at least in my family. Click on search, and you'll also find the way you can update stuff. But so here you actually have two Roushes. Now, where I always run into problems is everyone says, well, there's no Dave Roush at West Texas A&M University. Well, I like using different names. Some people, wear different color shoes every day. Some people wear, different jackets or something. I just like to use different names. But no, in fact, I am named after my dad. Can't imagine anyone who better to be named after. And so his name is John Roush, and growing up and pretty much most of my life, I've gone by Dave Roush. There's also another Roush, Mary Roush, who works as a librarian. It's pretty useful to know who she is as well. Now, what's pretty cool about this directory is it'll actually look up people by their first names as well. So if you only know the first name of someone, I wonder how many Marys actually work at WT. It looks like 6. There is Dr. Mary Brooks, Mary Freeze, Mary Grubb, Mary Heiner, who's the at Vero, Mary Roush, and Jenny Torbert. Curious about that one. But apparently her first name may be Mary and she just goes by Jenny. But if you know where the person works, let's say you know that the Mary you're looking for works at Vero, the Veterinary Education Research and Outreach, you can look for her there. So that's just a quick look at the directory. You can also look up offices and departments. Let's say you're trying to find political science, which sometimes I have to look it up because I can never remember what the department phone number is, since I almost never call the department. But you can look it up here, and if you click on this, it'll actually take you to the university website, the university department website. You can get a list of all the faculty members in political science and criminal justice. Remarkably, you will find me. I have been losing weight, so you can notice that probably from the picture. But and then we list all of the folks here, including some of our part-time faculty.